Hey everyone, so we're going to do a session with 3 different dogs. Elsa's a little bit conditioned to the camera, however, she was a feral wild dog on a Caribbean island. That's another story. And she has very in tune canine communication signals, and she's very sensitive to things that like pressure from a mobile device or a camera. You can see if I point that at her, she just sort of looks, so actually she's not too bad, but see, she looks away, but she doesn't really want to look at it. So I've preconditioned her. I have my Ziwi peak here, so she knows when I say yes, that means I'm marking whatever behavior I like. So then I'm going to hold this here. She's going to look away. She doesn't really like it. And the second her eye flicks at it, even yes, for a microsecond, I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to give her a treat. And I'm still not holding it up to my face yet, because that's like a double. She can't see what my face is doing, and I'm sticking this weird thing at her. Yes. And then each time I'm increasing my sort of expectation of how long she looks at it. Yes. And she's fairly comfortable. We'll do this later or tomorrow with the puppy Summer, who's never had it done. And you'll see it from the start, but you can see she's a little tense. She's looking away. Yes. So she's not looking too stressed. Actually, I should find a dog that's really stressed out by it. But now I'm going to start holding it up to my face or in front of my face. Yes. And I'm not expecting her to hold it for a long time. Yes. So you could see there, that was like one Mississippi, and then she had to dart her eyes because she didn't like it. So I have a rule of thumb when I'm doing workshops or whatever, where you get sort of 3 clicks, click, 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 snap, 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 and you back off. Because if I just keep doing this and I'm holding this in her face constantly, she's going to look uncomfortable in the photos. So that's why we practice all of our tips and tricks and techniques, so that we become better, faster, more accurate photographers. Yes. So she's giving me like a half second of eye contact. Yes. And then I'm moving it away. And that's the same with a camera. For the next dog that we do, we'll post it. We'll do the same exercise, but with a DSLR. But I know a lot of you have been asking questions about smartphones. And Elsa, look. Yes. That was more than long enough for her to look. And you see I'm not doing any of the, hey, look here, look here. Hey, Elsa, look, stare at the camera, stay. No, wait, no, here, I'm going to take your picture. Look at now, her eyes are like tight, her ears are back, she's licking her lips. She's staying here because she's very, very food motivated, but for some dogs that would just be way too much. There you go. Look. Yay, good girl, yes, good job. Okay, all done, and then that would be as much as I would work with her. That's plenty long enough. Now she does have a good photo command, which is, if you just keep the camera on her for a sec, I will show you. If you want to follow us, Lisa. Come here, Elsa, let's go. Come on, this way. Here. So I see something that I want a photo of, like say maybe those beautiful those beautiful clouds. And she knows now, because I've done this before, Elsa May, up. She knows that this is 100% a command to have her photo taken. And she's now willing to let me do it long enough to get the shot, because she knows she's getting paid 100% of the time. Here, Elsa May, quick, quick, quick. Here, yes, good job. Good job. Good job. Wait. Look at the camera. Elsa May, cheese. Here. Good job. There. Okay, go play. Let's go play. Go play. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then she knows the session is over. She's earned her money. She's taken her 1/4 of a rubber squeaky ducky, and she's done. That's it. That's all the work she needs to do. And she did a great job. So we will talk to you guys later, and we'll try it again with another dog. Have a good day.